I'm excited to be here in beautiful Picton in Ontario. And folks, I have to tell you, when we get through this pandemic, you have to visit Prince Edward County and Picton. It's one of the most beautiful towns anywhere in Ontario, and some of the greatest people in Ontario as well. With our tireless Deputy Premier and Minister of Health, Christine Elliott, and our local champion, and he's a true champion, Minister of Children and Community Social Services, Todd Smith. I'd also like to recognize Prince Edward County Mayor Steve Ferguson. Mayor, you're doing a great job. Absolutely fantastic for your community, and thank you for your true leadership. Our government will continue to deliver results for the people of Prince Edward County. It's why we've provided over $1.7 million through the federal Safe Restart Agreement to support municipal services in transit in Prince Edward County. We're adding 76 new long-term care beds and are upgrading 84 existing beds at the H.J. McFarland Memorial Home in Picton. These new and upgraded beds will ensure our long-term care residents have a comfortable place to call home. And we're providing $500,000 through the Community Transportation Grant Program to connect surrounding communities with Via Rail and Belleville Transit. And today, I'm thrilled to announce that we are making another landmark investment in the future of Prince Edward County. I've been investing in hospitals right across this province, from one end of Ontario to the other. Today, these investments are at your doorsteps. Our government is proud to announce an $8.7 million planning grant for the new Prince Edward County Memorial Hospital. Absolutely. It's exciting. Once built, the new state-of-the-art hospital in Picton will include a new, larger 24/7 emergency room, state-of-the-art operating room for surgeries, and increased access to diagnostic services like MRIs and dialysis. It will have all the latest technologies as well as 18 inpatient beds. On top of this, the parking situation is going to get a whole lot better. There will be more parking spaces to provide better access for patients, their families, and those with mobility issues. The construction of this project will also create jobs, help local suppliers and businesses, and contribute to the long-term recovery of this area. Today's investment is another step forward in our government's plan to end hallway healthcare. This is just absolute fantastic news for Picton and all of Prince Edward County. And on top of these investments, we continue to invest in frontline care. We've provided Quinte Health with $1.4 million through the Health Infrastructure Renewal Fund to make much-needed renovations and repairs to existing facilities. Our government also continues to support Quinte Health 4 COVID-19 assessment centers, helping to track, trace, and isolate this virus. I also want to take this opportunity to thank all of our healthcare heroes at Quinte Health. And Mary Claire, CEO, it starts at the top. And you've shown great leadership, and thank you so much. I want to thank our doctors, nurses, PSWs, pharmacists, and everyone who's been helping to prevent and stop the spread of COVID-19. Your dedication, your determination, and compassion are inspiring. Friends, healthcare is our top priority. We're making unprecedented investments this year, including an additional $7.7 billion, with a B, billion dollars to support frontline healthcare in response to COVID-19, as well as the most comprehensive COVID-19 fall preparedness plan in the country, which includes an investment of $2.8 billion to expand testing, clear the surgery backlog, protect their long-term care residents, and recruit more PSW nurses. We will continue to make strategic investments to shore up the front lines of our healthcare system and ensure patients continue to receive the quality care they need and deserve. Thank you, and God bless the people of Ontario.